After knowing about gardening, space required for gardening, types and forms of gardening, now we'll talk about soil manure mix. Basically, what kind of media is good for plant that plays an important role in soil drainage. Since accumulation of water in soil root zone becomes biggest problem in case of pot gardening. तो ये जब हम मिक्सचर की बात करते हैं तो आम तौर पे देखा गया है कि अगर आप नॉर्मल क्ले पॉट है आपका और उसमें आप 50% सॉइल और 50% मैन्योर डाल देते हैं। मैन्योर किसी भी टाइप का हो सकता है, वो हम नेक्स्ट चर्चा में बातें करेंगे कितने टाइप्स ऑफ मैन्योर होते हैं, कंपोस्ट क्या होते हैं, इन सब पे। बट अभी जस्ट टू शेयर यू that in general 50% of soil and manure, that is primarily of cow dung manure, is good for majority of soils. Particularly we are talking about loamy sand soil, the soil which contains some portion of clay and some portion of sand. That is good for pot gardening in general. You have to choose different kind of soil mix for different categories of plants. Say for example, for cacti and succulents, the soil should be porous, loose, that contains more proportion of sand. Whereas in case of some plants which require more water, they require more quantity of clay. So thanks for now. Bye.